Among the Dagbamba people, names are not just names. A name carries meaning, a name carries prayer, a name carries the history of a family. One beautiful example of this is what we call Naawuni Yuya, names that are connected to God. When a child is born, especially after a long wait, hardship, or a struggle, the family may give the child a name that speaks directly to Naawuni, the supreme being. For us in Dagbon, Naawuni is not just a distant God. He is an uncreated creator. He is the giver of life, and he is the one who controls destiny, health, and protection. So when a child is born, we acknowledge that this life did not come by human power alone. Take a name like Wunpini. It simply means God gift. That child is seen as a direct blessing from Naawuni. Then we have another name, Wunimmi. Only God knows. This name reminds everyone that life is full of mystery. Only God knows the future. Only God knows why things happened. Another powerful name is Wunniche, which means God's will. God's will. It speaks of surrender. It says whatever happens in this child's life, it is under the will of Naawuni. You also hear Wuntia, which means faith in God. That name is a statement of trust. It tells you the family believes their hope is in God alone. And my favorite, Salpawuni. Man is not God. Indeed, man is not God. That one is very deep. It reminds us that human beings have limits. No matter how powerful a person looks, only Naawuni is supreme. And then we have Chentiwuni, which means entrust it to God. Entrust it to God. That name is a prayer. To me, it's a prayer. It is saying we leave this child life in God's hand. These names are more than identity tags. They are a living theology. Every time someone calls the name, they are making a statement about who God is in Dagbani. In Dagbon, faith is not only in the mosque or church or shrine. It is in the names we call our children every single day. Tell me in the comment section, do you know someone with a Naawuni Yuya, or do you carry one yourself? Let's talk about it in the comment section.